In this second video, we're going to continue with a listening activity. Number 9 says, listen and check. So, we're going to complete this dialogue with a present progressive form of the person parenthesis, no? Then, we're going to listen. So in this case, let's listen. And then you
Unit 6, Track 62, Activity 9. Hi, Dave. It's Ellen. Where are you?
Oh, hi, Ellen. I'm watching the basketball game. The wild elephants are playing the golden monkeys. The elephants aren't winning at the moment. The monkeys, number 7 player, is running now. The elephants are not stopping him. He has the ball.
Dave, what's he doing?
Oh no! Another 3 points for the monkeys.
Well, this was a conversation, was a basketball event about Ellen and Dave, no? So, the idea is to listen once again, or listen many times as you can, and complete this dialogue, so that you can practice in classes. Well, let's continue with number 10. Look at the picture and complete the sentences with a verb in parentheses in the present progressive. For example, we have Hailey, Zoe, Lily, Liam, and Noah. And here we have the verb in parentheses and some information. For example, Liam, this is Liam, do street dance. Remember, complete the sentence with a verb parenthesis in the present progressive. Perfect. Liam is doing street dance. Liam is doing street dance. Zoe, let's see Zoe. Zoe is playing basketball, no? Zoe is playing basketball. Here we have two pieces of information. In the first one is negative. Yeah. Zoe isn't riding a bike. She is playing basketball. That is the correct answer. I repeat. Zoe isn't riding a bike. She is playing basketball. Let's continue with Lily. Where's Lily? Lily is here. Lily is going skateboarding. Okay, Lily is going skateboarding. Or we also say Lily is skateboarding. That's it. Okay. Why did I say go skateboarding? Because remember we learned go, play, and do. No, that's a possibility. D. Haley. Haley is riding a bike. Haley is riding a bike. Noah. Noah is not, isn't or is not diving. He is swimming. That is the idea. Okay? Let's see. If you want to see grammar guide, you can go to page 102 and you can continue reviewing this activity. Now we're going to continue with a second part, listening, unusual sports. Okay, unusual sports. Match pictures 1 to 3 with the unusual sports in the box. Underwater hockey, that is number 1. Ostrich racing, number 2. Chess boxing, number 3. Okay, now let's see. What's the idea? The idea is to match, for example, underwater hockey, water, underwater, like submarine. Number 3, yes, underwater hockey. What is chess boxing or ostrich racing? Excellent, ostrich. Those animals are ostriches. And ostrich racing. And chess boxing is this one. Chess boxing. Listen to 3 sports commentaries. Put the sports in activity 1 in the order you hear them. So here you know that this is ostrich racing, this is chess boxing, and this is underwater hockey. That is excellent, but in this part you're going to listen to 3 commentaries and you need to put the sport or the activity in order what you listen to them. For example, number 1 is this one, chess boxing, that is the correct. If this is number 2 or number 3, I don't know. The idea is to listen and put them in the right order. Pay attention to the audio, okay? Let's see.
Unit 6, Track 63, Activity 2. 1. Here we are at the chess boxing finals in Germany. There are 11 rounds in total. 1 round of chess, then 1 round of boxing. Both players are sitting at the table. The chessboard is between them. It's very quiet. Player 1 is thinking, and he's moving a pawn. Player 2 is watching him. Now player 2 is moving his first piece. 2.
Welcome back to underwater hockey. The players are diving into the swimming pool and the hockey game starts. The Blues are swimming with the ball. They're moving well under the water. Come on, Blues, go!
3. The jockeys and their ostriches are waiting to start. And they're off. They're running very fast. Jockey 1 is first. Come on, come on. Oh no, Jockey 1 is falling. Jockey 1 is on the ground. And the winner is Jockey 3.
Okay, class, this was the reading activity. So, which activity was the first one? Ostrich race, chess boxing, or underwater hockey? So you are going to tell me the answers in class. If you couldn't listen very well, there's no problem. You can do it again and again. You can repeat the audio. Now let's continue with the activity number 3. Listen again and underline the correct word. Both players are sitting or standing in the table. So what's the idea? To listen once again the audio and select one. Letter B. Player 2 is watching or player 2 is moving player 1. C. The players are diving or the players are jumping into the swimming pool. D. The Blues are pledging or the Blues are swimming with the ball. E. The jockeys are running or the jockeys are waiting at the starting line. F. Jockey 1 is falling, jockey 1 is winning. Let's listen once again and you choose the correct answer.
Unit 6, Track 63, Activity 2. 1. Here we are at the chess boxing finals in Germany. There are 11 rounds in total. 1 round of chess, then 1 round of boxing. Both players are sitting at the table. The chessboard is between them. It's very quiet. Player 1 is thinking, and he's moving a pawn. Player 2 is watching him. Now player 2 is moving his first piece. 2.
Welcome back to underwater hockey. The players are diving into the swimming pool and the hockey game starts. The Blues are swimming with the ball. They're moving well under the water. Come on, Blues, go!
3. The jockeys and their ostriches are waiting to start. And they're off. They're running very fast. Jockey 1 is first. Come on, come on. Oh no, Jockey 1 is falling. Jockey 1 is on the ground. And the winner is Jockey 3.
Okay class, this was the audio. So what you have to do is to select the first or the second word. Also, this activity is going to be done in our classes. Cultural fact. In South Africa, raising ostrich is a very popular. These birds can fly, but they can run up to 70 kilometers per hour. That's faster than lions and leopards. Okay, this is information about ostrich. Well, class, this has been all for now. We're going to continue in our classes at platform, no, on platform. For next time, we're going to work on page 96, and we have a dialogue. No, we have a speaking, watching the game, and we can see, for example, that we're talking about sports. No, sports. So you can go practicing, you can go checking this part so that you can get ready for our next class. Thank you so much. See you.